Hi everyone, I'm back. Actually, my first video that I took earlier was actually failed. I don't know why, but it was so blurred. So I'm taking right now. So it is alive again, and today I'm gonna teach you something, and it's all about, please wait. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you something very important in English because some of us we don't know how to use. Even me before, I really didn't know how to use like simple present and how to use simple past when I was at elementary like that. And yeah, when I was at oh yes, when I was in high school, I was learning this one, and so it's okay. So anyway, shall we start? All right. So for today, I'm going to teach you the simple present and the simple past in English. Of course, we must know how to use them in sentences when we speak and even in writing. And yeah, I'm going to teach you, I think, 11 words, 11 irregular vocabularies. Okay, when you say irregular, that means the spelling change in a simple past. Okay, so shall we? Let's study. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna teach you the simple present. So I'm gonna write, actually, I have written the 11 vocabularies in English, which is in the simple present. And after that, the next of that would be the simple present. Okay, so let's have the first one, which is eat. When you say eat, that is in a simple present. So what is the simple past of eat? That would be ate. So when you try to remember the spelling, you can just say ate. I ate yesterday. I eat every day. That's it. Next one. Sleep. I sleep every day. Of course, we sleep every day, right? And the simple past of that would be slept. So the spelling changed. Next, let's move on to go. When you say go, yeah, you go to school every day, you go to work every day, that's go. And when you use that word in a simple present, that would be went. So the spelling changed again. So all you have to do is to memorize. Memorize all the spelling. Yes. And next, let's move on to swim. I swim every day. And if you use that one in a simple past, there would be swam. I swam yesterday. I swam in the pool last week. So that's swam. So the spelling change. The clue for this one is you just change I to A. So I to apple, A. That's it. Next, let's move on to drink. What is the simple past of drink? That would be drank. So it's A again. Ah. I drink water every day. I drank apple juice yesterday. So that's it. Next one. Take. Took. When you say take, I take a bus, I take a bus every day. I took a bus yesterday. So it won't be changed. Do not change. So if you do it again and again, if you do it always repeated action, please use take. If it's finished, please use took. I took shower yesterday. Next, if you would say see, I see you every day. And that's the simple past for that one. That would be saw. Saw. I saw you yesterday. I saw my students yesterday. So finished. That's it. Next, let's have to move on to ride. Ride. I ride a bike every day. I ride a jeepney every Monday. So that's it. So the simple past for that is rode. I rode a bike yesterday. I rode a jeepney yesterday. Finish. Next. Speak. I speak English every day. I speak Japanese every day. That's it. Next one. Let's move on to the simple past of speak. That would be spoke. I spoke English yesterday. I spoke Japanese yesterday. That's it. Next, let's have to move on to wear. I wear a jacket every day. I wear a uniform yesterday. And if you are going to use that one in a simple past, that would be wore. I wore a jacket yesterday. That's done. So the spelling changed. So you cannot say, I wear a jacket yesterday. So that is wrong. Okay? Next, let's have break. Break. I break my leg every day. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. And let's have to move on to broke. So when you say break, I break a glass every month. Oh my gosh. And let's have to move on to broke. I broke my mirror yesterday. I broke my mirror yesterday. So the spelling change. The clue is there as that would be O. 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 Okay. Okay. O. Yes. And sometimes not O, but the spelling really changed. Sometimes it's A. I changed I to A or A, apple. Okay, and sometimes the spelling change, like the slept and ate. Okay, I think that's done. That's easy. Okay, so let's have to try making sentences. Okay, I'm gonna try just I go to work every day. Finish. And I'm gonna use simple past. I went to work yesterday. And that's done. Okay, next. Let's move on to the next one. Swim. I swim on Mondays. I swam last week. And that's done. Next. I drink water every day, of course. I drink water every day. I drank orange juice last week. And that's it. And that's done. That's easy. Alright, now let's have to move on to take and took. I take a bus every Sunday. And I took a bus last month. And that's done. Next. I see you every year. Oh, that's it. And I saw you last week. Finish. Next. I'm gonna use another, let's have to use the singular subjects, okay? which is we actually learned the last video that I was actually teaching you. So no, I'm not going to use that. She rides a bike. Okay, I'm gonna use the adverb of frequency. I'm gonna use always. She always rides a bike, and that's done. She rode a bike. Oh, I can use she always rode a bike, and that's done. It means before she always rode a bike, and that's it. Next. Speak. I speak. I'm gonna use he. He speaks. So I'm gonna use the adverb of frequency. He sometimes speaks Japanese, and he sometimes. So I'm gonna use sometimes also in simple past. It's okay. Don't be confused. He sometimes spoke. That means before sometimes he spoke Japanese. And that's done. Next, let's have where. They wear uniform on Mondays. They wore uniform yesterday, and that's done. Break. Okay. Jen broke a vase last night, and Jen. I'm sorry. I'm gonna use this one in a simple present. Breaks. Jen breaks a vase last night, and Jen broke a vase. Oh my gosh, this is not correct. Every day. Okay, and Jen broke a vase last night. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so that's it. It's done, right? So that is very easy. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you're learning something from this video. And next topic will be, I'm going to teach you again, not again, but I'm going to teach you another lesson that would be idioms next meeting. And yeah, for today, simple present and simple past, and the next will be idioms. And I'm gonna go back to the second topic that would be very instead of saying very, because I have so much to teach you. So yeah, I'm gonna share something, my knowledge, so that I can share it to you, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. I'll see you for the next lesson. Thank you. Not to see you not to see you for the next lesson, but yeah, of course. I hope you're following me and you're watching my videos. Goodbye and have a great night. Goodbye. Thank you.